Number one, what is the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line with a slope of 5 and a y-intercept of negative 8? A, y equals negative 8x plus 5. B, y equals 8x minus 5. C, 5x minus y equals negative 8. D, y equals 5x minus 8. Number two, which equation is graphed at the right? F, 2y minus x equals 10. G, 2x plus y equals negative 5. H, 2x minus y equals 5. Or J, 2y plus x equals negative 5. Number three, which is an equation of a line that passes through the points 2, negative 5 and 6, 3? A, y equals 1 half x minus 6. B, 1 half x. C, y equals 2x plus 12. Or D, y equals 2x minus 9. 4. What is an equation of a line through the point 0, negative 3 with a slope of 2/5? F, negative 5x plus 2y equals 15. G, negative 5x minus 2y equals negative 15. H, 2x minus 5y equals negative 15. Or J, negative 2x plus 5y equals 15. 5. Which is an equation of a line with a slope negative 3 and a y-intercept of 5? A, y equals negative 3, parentheses x plus 5. B, y minus 5 equals negative 3x. C, negative 3x plus y equals 5. Or D, y equals 5x minus 3. 6. What is the equation of a line through the point negative 2, negative 3 with a slope of 0? F, x equals negative 2. G, y equals negative 3. H, negative 2x minus 3y equals 0. Or J, negative 3x plus 2y equals 0. 7. Find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line that passes through the point negative 5, 3 and is parallel to 12x minus 3y equals 10. A is y equals negative 4x minus 17. B, y equals 4x minus 13. C, y equals negative 4x plus 13. D, y equals 4x plus 23. 8. If line Q has a slope of negative 3/8, what is the slope of a line perpendicular to Q? F, negative 3/8. G, 3/8. H, 8/3. J, negative 8/3. 9. A line of fit might be defined as A, a line that connects all of the data points. B, a line that might best estimate the data and be used for predicting values. C, a vertical line halfway through the data. D, a line that has a slope of greater than 1. 10. A scatter plot of data comparing the numbers of years since Holbrook High School introduced a math club and the number of students participating contains the ordered pairs 319 and 842. Which is the slope-intercept form of an equation for the line of fit containing those points? F, y equals 4.6x plus 5.2. G, y equals 3x plus 1. H, y equals 5.2x plus 4.6. J, y equals 0.22x minus 1.13. 11. Use the equation from question 10 to estimate the number of students who will be in the math club during the 15th year. A, 53. B, 61. C, 65. D, 74. 12. Which data are shown by the scatter plot? F, 1995 and 5.5, 1997 and 6.1, 2004 and 7.6. G, 1995 and 5.5, 2000 and 6.1, 2007 and 7.6. H, 1995 and 5.5, 2000 and 6.6, 2005 and 8. J, 1995 and 5.5, 1997 and 6.6, 2005 and 8. 13. Which is true about the data? The slope of the best fit line would be negative. B, there is a positive correlation. C, there is no correlation. D, there is a negative correlation. (14) Based on the data in the scatter plot, what would you expect the y value to be for 2010? F between 7 and 8, G higher than 8, H between 5 and 7, J it is impossible to tell. (15) To calculate the charge for a load of bricks, including delivery, the Redstone Brick Company uses the equation C equals 0.42B plus 25, where C is the charge and B is the number of bricks. What would be the delivery fee per load? A, 42, B, 67, C, 25, D, it depends on the number of bricks. For questions 16 and 17, use the table shown. Shots on goal, 22, 25, 28, 29, and 33. Points scored, 5, 7, 7, 9, and 8. Number 16, find the slope of the regression line. F, negative 0.561, G, 0.283, H, 0.631, J, 0.794. 17. Estimate how many points would be scored if 80 shots were taken on the goal using the regression line. A, 18, B, 19, C, 22, D, 24. (18) Find the inverse of the point 4, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 6, 9, 8, 5. F, 8, 5, 6, 9, 3, negative 2, 4, negative 1. G, negative 4, 1, negative 3, 2, negative 6, 9, negative 8, negative 5. H, negative 1, 4, negative 2, 3, 9, 6, 5, 8. J, negative 1, negative 2, 9, 5, 4, 3, 6, 8. 19. If f of x equals 3x minus 4, find the inverse of f of x. A, the inverse of x is equal to 4x minus 3. B, the inverse of x is equal to x plus 4 over 3. C, the inverse of x is equal to x minus 4 over 3. Or D, the inverse of x is equal to negative 4 minus 3x. 20. If f of x equals 8 times 5x minus 2, find the inverse of x. F, the inverse of x is equal to 5x plus 2 over 8. G, the inverse of x is equal to 5x minus 2 over 8. H, the inverse of x is equal to x minus 16 over 40. J, the inverse of x, is equal to x plus 16 over 40. Bonus. What is the y-intercept of a line through the point 2, 7 and perpendicular to the graph of y equals negative 3 halves x plus 6?